Most people see garbage. But what if I told you that those apple peels and leftover vegetables contain the power to run an engine? Today, we are unlocking the secrets of the invisible giant known as biogas. We are going to explore how you can turn your backyard into a miniature power plant using the laws of thermodynamics. To understand biogas, we must first look at the cosmic scale of energy transformation. Energy is never lost. It only changes form. A principle rooted in both engineering and global cosmology. Biogas is a mixture of gases produced by the breakdown of organic matter in the absence of oxygen. This process is a biological miracle that transforms chemical energy into a flammable fuel that we can control. But how does this transformation actually happen? It is not magic. It is biology and chemistry working in perfect harmony. In this video, we will dive deep into the science of anaerobic digestion. We will look at the exact temperature requirements. We'll cover the materials for your system and calculate the exact energy output required to run a 3-horsepower engine. This is a journey from the microscopic world of bacteria to the macro scale of sustainable living. Let us start with the chemistry of the flame. Biogas is roughly 60% methane and 40% carbon dioxide. The magic happens during anaerobic digestion, a 4-stage process involving hydrolysis, acidogenesis, acetogenesis, and finally, methanogenesis. In the final stage, specialized microorganisms called methanogens convert acetate and hydrogen into methane gas. This is a delicate balance of pH levels and nutrient ratios that ensures the survival of these ancient organisms. When methane burns, it reacts with oxygen to produce heat, water vapor, and carbon dioxide. The energy content of biogas is directly linked to its methane concentration. Raw biogas provides about 20 megajoules per cubic meter. This energy density allows us to compare it with fossil fuels, seeing its true potential as a carbon-neutral alternative. Is biogas harmful? This is a common question. When managed correctly, biogas is actually an environmental hero. Unlike fossil fuels, biogas utilizes carbon that is already part of the Earth's short-term carbon cycle. By capturing methane that would otherwise escape from rotting waste, we are helping to stabilize the atmospheric balance. What can you use to make this gas? High sugar and high fat materials provide the most energy. For example, food waste can produce significantly more gas than cow manure. However, manure is vital because it contains the starter culture of bacteria needed to kickstart the fermentation. It is a perfect synergy of nutrients and biology. Temperature is the next critical variable in this cosmic equation. Maintain a temperature between 35 and 40 degrees Celsius. This is the mesophilic range. For a practical DIY setup, you need a large, airtight container, like a 200-liter plastic barrel. You will need an inlet pipe, an outlet for fertilizer, and a gas valve at the very top. It must be perfectly sealed. You must create a slurry. Usually, a 1-to-1 ratio of organic matter to water is ideal. Patience is required. It takes 15 to 21 days for the bacteria colony to stabilize and produce methane. Initially, the gas is mostly carbon dioxide. Wait until methane rises above 50% for it to become useful fuel. 1 cubic meter of biogas contains about 6 kilowatt-hours of energy, equivalent to 0.6 liters of gasoline. Imagine you have a typical 150cc engine. Running it on biogas is possible with minor modifications. A 3-horsepower engine requires about 2,000 liters of biogas per hour of continuous operation. This is why biogas is often better suited for cooking or low-demand lighting rather than heavy machinery. To run the engine, you must adjust the air-to-fuel ratio, replacing liquid fuel jets with a direct gas feed. A single family can often produce enough gas from daily kitchen waste to cook 2 full meals. The golden diet for bacteria is a carbon-to-nitrogen ratio of roughly 30 parts carbon to 1 part nitrogen. From a 200-liter digester, you can expect between 200 and 500 liters of gas per day. Safety is paramount. Biogas is lighter than air, but it can still be dangerous in enclosed spaces. Check for leaks. In the grand scheme, we are using thermodynamics to turn entropic waste back into organized, useful energy. The byproduct is digestate, one of the best organic fertilizers, immediately available for plants to absorb. This creates a perfect circular economy in your backyard. You grow food, you eat it, and the waste fuels more growth. Controlling pressure is a fascinating challenge. Weights on your storage bag push the fuel through the pipes. To solve moisture issues, you must install a water trap. Small technical details ensure a successful system. Pass the gas through iron shavings to remove hydrogen sulfide, making it safer for your engine and health. Scalability is the frontier. Link barrels together to increase production without massive industrial equipment. Millions of tons of food are wasted annually. Redirecting even a fraction into digesters could generate gigawatts. Why is the flame blue? A blue flame indicates complete combustion, meaning the methane is reacting perfectly with oxygen. For colder climates, insulation is your best friend. Wrapping your digester can help maintain that crucial temperature. It takes energy to make energy, a fundamental truth that we must always account for in our calculations. Biogas bridges the gap between ancient biological processes and modern mechanical needs. It is a universal solution. Around the world, millions rely on this technology. Small-scale digesters provide clean energy where the power grid does not reach. This is a global movement of appropriate technology, solutions that are simple, effective, and easy to maintain. Maintaining an engine on biogas is easier. There is no carbon buildup, and the oil stays cleaner for longer. Imagine a future where every home has a small digester. The burden on our national power grids would be drastically reduced. The chemical reactions for biogas shape the atmosphere of our early Earth. We are touching the very fabric of history. To summarize, 1 kilogram of food waste produces about 160 liters. Always calculate your input. Do not be intimidated. Start small. Even a single 5-liter bottle can be used to see the gas being produced. We have covered the chemistry, the engineering, and the benefits. Now, the power is in your hands. Keep it airtight, keep it warm, and keep the pH balanced. Monitor your pressure and stay safe. There is no such thing as waste, only resources in the wrong place. Let us build a brighter future together. Thank you for joining me. Please consider subscribing and turn on notifications for more DIY energy deep dives.